Hello everyone, this is Teacher J here. Excel in PSLE Math Question 3. A fraction, when multiplied by 5 and then divided by 6, will give a result of 3/8. 一个分数，当它被乘以5，然后再被6除之后，将得到一个3/8的结果。The question is, what is the fraction? And express the answer in its simplest form. Reverse engineering is a great way to think about this question. I think every student should try to master this way of thinking. So, 这是一种逆向工程。First, 3/8. It is divided by 6 and give the result of 3/8. So we times 6. 3/8 times 6. We got 9/4. And next, multiplied by 5. So we divide 9/4 by 5. And that is 9/4 times 1/5. The answer is 9/20. Now we check whether this answer is in its simplest form. Yes, correct. So the answer is here. All right. Reverse engineering. Thanks for watching.